Hello everyone, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video, we will learn how to fix or solve when your Windows 10 has no sound. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's make a right click on our Windows icon and then go to Device Manager Options. So when this window will come out on your screen, please look for Sound, Video, and Game Controllers option. Now make a click on this arrow here and then go click for Realtek Audio. Now make a right click on it and then click on update driver. And here we are given two options. Please click on the first one, search automatically for drivers. And when this message is on your screen, the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you're good to go. And then you can now do a restart and then see if it's working. Well, if it's still not working, please make a right click on your sound icon here and then go click on sound settings and scroll down a little bit. Let's find for volume mixer. Once found, please make a click on it and make sure that for the output device you have chosen the right or the device that you are currently using. And then for the apps, all the volume are set to 100 or it's not muted. And then you can go click on reset button here so that the sound devices and volumes will be for all apps it will reset the sound devices and volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults. Now after doing so, please make a restart on your device and then make sure the plugs are also plugged properly. And still, if it doesn't work, then let's proceed with the last option that we have. So again, please make a right click on your Windows icon and then click on this troubleshoot sound problems option. And just let the troubleshooters run. And once you are given with the steps that you should follow, please do follow the steps that will be provided. And then please make a quick restart with your device. Okay, so I hope that you find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.